Headache English? First day.
Headache English.
Words to discuss. Accept, accept. Insure, insure. Fourth, fourth. Weather, weather. Week, week.
Accept versus accept. Accept, verb. Receive, concept to get or receive something.
Accept, leave out, to not include or to exclude.
Examples. Accept, I am happy to accept your dinner invitation. Accept, they will open the museum daily except Sunday.
Now let us use the two words together. We accept all types of cards, except Diners Club. Insure versus insure. Insure, verb. To make sure or guarantee.
Insure, verb. Provide insurance coverage or protect someone against.
Examples. Insure, ensure all presentations are properly discussed to close the deal. Insure, they refuse to insure us because we lack documents.
Let us use the two words together. We must ensure the client a proper standard of work. After all, we are here to ensure our client extra policies for his safety. Fourth versus fourth. Fourth, adjective forward.
Fourth, adjective comes after third.
Examples. Fourth, Mr. Riego drew forth his gun. Fourth, on the fourth day of our vacation, we went to Arc de Triomphe in Paris.
Weather versus weather. Weather, noun. The atmosphere of a place.
Weather, expressing a doubt or unsure statement.
Now let us use the two words together. The officials called the fourth racer to go on track and he set forth with his stock car.
Examples. Weather, the weather is a bit chilly today. Weather, Gino doesn't know whether he's coming or not.
Let us use the two words together. The weather is warm today. I am not sure whether I like it or not. Week versus week. Week, adjective not strong enough.
Week, noun. A period of 7 days.
Examples. Weak, Luna explained in a weak voice. Weak, the students will have their recollection for a week.
Now let us use the words together. The student leader asked the members who have weak voices to practice for a week for their stage play.
Now, let us witness how these headache English words will be used in a dialogue during the first day at the university.
I hope the weather is good. I have so many plans today, but I don't care whether it rains or not. I will still accomplish them all. Hi. Excuse me. Is it fine to disturb you for a moment?
Sure. What can we help you with?
I just want to ensure if I am on the right side of the university. I am heading to the registrar.
Yes, you are. But you can also ask the nearby guard to ensure your way to the registrar. You can also ask the man who is walking back and forth on the nearby bench.
Right. The registrar office is located at the 4th floor of that building.
Thank you so much for entertaining my questions. I'll go ahead now.
Good morning, sir. Is it fine if you assist me to the registrar's office?
Sure. This way, please. Just a reminder, speak loudly when you're talking to the registrar. If you have a weak voice, it won't be heard easily.
Thank you for the reminder, sir. I kept that in my mind for a week.
A few moments later.
I felt extra happy just now. The university accepted me as one of their students. Except that the rain is starting to pour now. I must hurry so I can go home fast.
You're in the mid part of the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Let's check your knowledge. Direction: fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. Kindly blank the invitation link so you can join to the meeting. Number 2. We are only blank a new member when we need to. Number 3. We are all attending the event blank Thria and Ace.
Letter A. Accept. Letter B. Accept.
The correct answers are: number 1, letter A. Accept. Kindly accept the invitation link so you can join to the meeting. Number 3, letter B. Accept. We are all attending the event except Thria and Ace. Number 4. I am not blank if we are flying back to London soon. Number 5. A degree in college will blank your future. Number 6. Mr. Fortunato presented everything properly to blank the deal.
Letter A. Ensure. Letter B. Ensure.
The correct answers are: number 5. Letter B. A degree in college will ensure your future. Number 6. Letter A. Mr. Fortunato presented everything properly to ensure the deal. Number 7. Basty garnered blank place during the competition. Number 8. We have blank dogs in our house. Number 9. My friend's tears poured blank when she got accepted to her dream university.
Letter A. 4th. Letter B. 4th.
The correct answers are: number 7. Letter B. Basty garnered 4th place during the competition. Number 9. Letter A. My friend's tears poured forth when she got accepted to her dream university. Number 10. A cheater is a cheater, blank he cheats on a test or in real life. Number 11. The blank in this place is scorching. Number 12. The family enjoyed their vacation blank the circumstances.
Letter A. Weather. Letter B. Weather.
The correct answers are: number 10. Letter B. A cheater is a cheater, whether he cheats on a test or in real life. Number 11. Letter A. The weather in this place is scorching. Number 13. A full blank passed before we decided to pursue the business we want. Number 14. The squirrel looked blank and frightened when I saw it on the grass. Number 15. Sandra prepared my food for blank days.
Letter A. Week. Letter B. Week.
The correct answers are: number 13. Letter B. A full week passed before we decided to pursue the business we want. Number 14. Letter A. The squirrel looked weak and frightened when I saw it on the grass.
Congratulations! You're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.